Hi there, students. Grip, grip, to grip, a verb, a grip, a noun. Okay, so to grip is to hold on to something tightly. Yeah, come on, grip my hand. The child was nervous and gripped its mother's hand tightly. If you're on a motorbike and you turn very sharply, maybe the tyres lose grip of the road. They don't hold tightly to the surface of the road. They don't grip well. Maybe you could describe something as gripping. It's really exciting. It holds your attention. This story has gripped many readers. The book was really gripping. It held me in place. Yeah, I was gripped throughout the film. You could be gripped by an emotion. I was gripped by fear when I heard the spooky noise. Yeah, I was gripped by passion when I saw the beauty of her eyes. Okay, to grip, to have grip over something, to have control over something. So the dictator maintained a very tight grip over his position. Yeah, he didn't want to lose his grip to anybody else. You could also say, I'm losing my grip. I'm not thinking very clearly. I'm losing my grip. I'm losing my mind. I'm not thinking about things clearly and intelligently. Okay? A grip. Yeah, I guess you could have, it's an old-fashioned word for a small travelling bag. Yeah, just for the weekend I took a grip with me. To grip, to a tight hold on something. Yeah, he's got a grip like a vice. A vice is this tool where you hold things. A grip like a vice. Okay, so to grip or a grip, a tight hold. Yeah, the pressure on something. Yeah, I slipped because my shoes lost their grip. The car skidded in the wet weather because it lost grip. Yeah, your understanding. He's got a good grip of English grammar. He understands it. He holds it intellectually very well. Yeah, I'm starting to get a grip on the way to do this. I'm getting the grip of this. I'm starting to get the ability to do it well. I'm becoming competent. Yeah, mental composure. Yeah, he lost his grip and started shouting at everyone. Okay, one slightly different meaning in a film. A grip is somebody who helps move the scenery. You'll very often see head grip, in the credits at the end. The grip is somebody who moves stuff around. He works for it. Okay, so grip. To grasp, to hold. Yeah, he had a very feeble grip. Yeah, a tennis racket has a grip so that you can hold it well. Yeah, get a grip on yourself. Get control of yourself. He's got a good grip of English. Yeah. Also a hair grip. Yeah, it's one of these things that a girl or a lady might put in her hair to hold it in place. Yeah, and then a grip, a stagehand who shifts around scenery and props. Okay, to get to grips with a problem, to deal with it, to tackle. Yeah, I need to get to grips with my spending. Yeah, to get to grips with something, to deal with it. Yeah, he was in the grip of her power, dominated or affected by. The country at the moment is in the grip of a harsh winter. Yeah, you could lose your grip, you lose control. Get a grip on yourself. Okay, so let's see. Formality. Grip my hand. 5 in formality. Use anywhere. Okay, so to have a grip, or to get the grip of something. Maybe 4 in formality. 4.5. Don't use it very formally. In the grip of, dominated by. I think 5 in formality. Use anywhere. To come to grips with, to begin to deal with. We're coming to grips with the problem. I think 4.5. Don't use very formally. Okay, and then as to origin. Okay, this comes from Old English, gripan, from Proto-Germanic, gripjana, meaning to grip. Yeah, from Proto-Germanic, gripana. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Grip.